Recording in progress.
Hello everyone, welcome to Vidhigya Explained Series. The topic for today's discussion is NASA's Perseverance rover. So this topic was in news because NASA's Perseverance rover has completed a full Earth year on Mars after its successful landing on February 19, 2021. So it landed on February 19, 2021. During this period on the red planet. So it is a mission related to Mars. The rover has completed many firsts from its ambitious to-do list. So it has collected the first rock cores from another planet. It served as a base station for Ingenuity helicopter. It extracted oxygen from thin Martian air. Fourth, it broke a record for the most distance driven by a rover on Mars in a single day by traveling almost 320 meters on February 14. It also helped tested the first prototype oxygen generator on the red planet called MHCET, that is Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment. So through this MHCET, it conducted production of oxygen, or you can say oxygen generation on the red planet. So these are some of the achievements. That is, Ingenuity helicopter is related to NASA's Mars mission. MHCET, that is Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, is related to NASA's Mars mission. So you have to remember. So this is a rover. Perseverance is rover. There are three things. First is land orbiter, which orbits around the planet. Then there is a lander, which lands on the planet. And then after there, this rover, which comes out from the lander. And this is the Perseverance rover. So it is related to Mars. Ingenuity helicopter is related to NASA's Mars mission. MHCET, you can say MHCET experiment is related to production of oxygen on the Martian atmosphere, or you can say Martian space by NASA through this experiment called as Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment. Now about Perseverance rover. So NASA's Perseverance rover is exploring the Jezero crater. So you have to remember which crater. It is exploring Jezero crater on Mars and attempting to collect its first rock sample. It was launched. So this was launched. So launched in 2020, but landed in 2021 aboard a United Launch Alliance Atlas V. So significance of rover, why it was significant. So it carried a unique instrument called MHCET, as I've discussed above, which for the first time manufactured molecular oxygen on Mars using carbon dioxide from the carbon dioxide rich atmosphere, and its utilization. It used carbon dioxide from the Mars atmosphere and produced molecular oxygen, or it also uses local resources to meet human needs or requirement of the spacecraft. Now, first significance is MHCET. MHCET is a significant step or significant achievement by NASA. Second, it carried Ingenuity, the first ever helicopter to fly on Mars. It carried a small helicopter known as Ingenuity, which is the first ever helicopter to fly on Mars. So first is MHCET, second is Ingenuity. So these are the two important you have to remember. It is the planned first step to bring, or also through this rover, it is the planned first step to bring back rock sample from Mars for analysis in Earth, while the goal of looking for biosignature or signature of present or past. So it will also look about the life which was there earlier, and it will also help in, it is also a first step to bring back the rock sample from the Martian atmosphere. Now, there are some of the key mission objectives. These are some of the key mission objectives. Look for the signs of ancient microbial life, collect Martian rock and dust sample, deliver an experimental helicopter, that is Ingenuity, study the climate and geology of Mars, and demonstrate technology for future Mars mission. So remember, 2020, it was launched, 2021 landed, Perseverance rover, MHCET, you remember what is MHCET, then remember Ingenuity, and then Jezero crater, and which on Mars planet by NASA. So remember all these information, these can come directly in your exam. So these are the basic information that you need to remember. Now we'll discuss the questions. Question number 1, Perseverance rover was launched in which year? Your options are 2014, 2020, 2021, none of the above. And the correct option is 2020. Perseverance rover is a mission of which country? India, Russia, USA, none of the above. And the correct option is it's a USA, it's NASA's mission. So NASA's Perseverance rover is exploring the which crater on Mars and attempting to collect its first rock sample? Moxie, Changi, or Zero hai, it's Zero, or none of the above. The correct option is Zero crater. Question number 4. Which of the following is the first helicopter to fly on Mars? Moxie, Perseverance, Ingenuity, none of the above. And the correct option is Ingenuity. Moxie is oxygen generation experiment, Perseverance is the rover, and Ingenuity is the helicopter. Now, NASA's Perseverance rover mission is related to which planet? Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, none of the above. So the correct option is Mars. So that's all for this session. Stay logical with Vidhigya, your best pal in CLAT Preps.